Hold on, are there dolls in class again? Or maybe the teacher just needs a vacation. Check out more pranks and life hacks on our brand new channel, Woohoo! Subscribe to enjoy awesome tricks and hilarious pranks. Follow the link in the description. Classes in our summer school are not over yet. But Miss Olivia wants to go on vacation. She already packed her things. Adios, amigos! Fill a suitcase-shaped container with markers. Decorate the lid with travel stickers. My bag is ready! See you Monday, girls! These travel markers are great for writing on maps. Bye, school! While our teacher is gone, we can come up with something interesting. These pencils are down to their last stubs. Hey, don't throw them away. I'll make a mini Statue of Liberty out of them. Balloon? Paint? I'll need it all. Get ready to meet the statue of LOL-berty. Unbend a ring blank. Shape a headband for an LOL doll. Attach a strip of double-sided foam tape on top. Cut colored pencils. Attach them to the headband. Wrap the base of the headband in polymer clay and bake it following the package instructions. Color the crown with acrylic paint. Add glass on the observation deck using black paint. Put the crown onto an old LOL doll. Wrap the head in light clay. Shape a hairdo. Cut a balloon. Put it onto the doll as a dress. And put on a piece of balloon at an angle so it looks like a cloak. Cover a red piece of lead with polymer clay. Shape a torch. Also, make a book out of clay. Bake it and paint it gold and turquoise. Attach the torch and the book to the doll's hand using double-sided tape. Place the doll onto a school supply stand. This tiny doll lights up our mood. How cute! Plus, it's really useful. I can draw my Liberty with colored pencils. I'll make something unusual too. My doll and I will have identical bangs. Trace a roll of tape on pink cardboard. Cut out 2 circles. Coat the cardboard with a lot of clear glue and attach twine, making circles. Hot glue 2 pieces of twine to a roll of tape as handles. And attach the cardboard walls to the tape base. Attach a twine loop inside and add a bead as a fastener. Girls, check out my new accessory! A wicker tape bag is trendy this season, both for people and for dolls. School supply micro fashion. Let's choose where to go for our dream vacation. Here it is, the hottest spot on the earth. The ocean, sunshine, palm trees. Hey, don't get an imaginary sunburn. You're right, my Barbie and I need a beach umbrella. Cut a circle out of a colored plastic folder. Fold it in half. Then bend it in a different direction to get 4 sections. Make cuts along the lines and fasten the edges with double-sided tape to make it 3D. Hot glue a marker to the center. Cut the clip off a cap. Cover the marker with another piece of the folder. Use the cap of a spill-proof paint cup as a stand. Hot glue the marker cap. Here's my new compact and useful umbrella. I will definitely need it at the beach. There's a marker hidden inside. I can write in my travel diary with it. But something is missing. My doll needs to be comfy. An air mattress would be perfect. Cut a plastic book cover on one side and cut it along the seam. Fold it in half. Wrap the edge in parchment paper and seal it with a flat iron. To make a cushion, cover the piece with parchment paper and make a line with a hot knife to create a seam. Seal the bottom part with a flat iron. Leave a small hole. Stick in a straw and fill the mattress with air. Then seal it shut. Attach a double-sided tape to the cover of a notebook and fasten a sheet of blue foam paper. Tape the air mattress to it. Decorate the foam paper with starfish. This is a real air mattress, but it's doll-sized. Let's see if my Barbie likes it. Fantastic! And it has a travel diary inside. Girls, help me with a hairstyle for my Barbie doll. Oops, I shouldn't have asked. Only going bald could save this Barbie. Don't cry, Rosie. Hot glue will help. Cover the head of a hairless doll with rich lotion. Apply a thick layer of hot glue on top. Use hot glue of different colors. Apply drops to shape a hairstyle. Wow! I really like Barbie's new look. Plus, this hairstyle is very practical. It can act as an eraser. Awesome! Oh, Miss Olivia, you're back! Your tan is amazing! Pink looks great on your face and your jacket! Miss Olivia is sad after her vacation, so everyone has to take a test. The girls made so many mistakes. They used all of my whiteout. Fine, I'll make a new one. Color the main part of a whiteout with acrylic paint. Draw big eyes and a mouth with teeth. Hot glue pink strings to the back. Decorate the joint with glittery tape. Shape 2 backpack straps. Secure the paint in place with clear nail polish. Hey, what do you have? Pink whiteout? No, this is just a new backpack for my Barbie. Another mistake? Thank goodness this LOL doll has a life preserver. Trace 2 circles on an old eraser, one bigger and one smaller. Cut out a ring. Trim the edges. and file them down. Decorate the ring with some twine. This eraser life preserver will save the doll and my notes. I wonder what my friend has. Whoa, what a cute life preserver! I wish I were on vacation. I wish I could be somewhere tropical right now. But the only tropical thing I have is my palm tree pen. Make a shape out of hot glue on parchment paper. Glue in a pen, cap side down. Wrap twine around the pen. Secure it with hot glue. Paint the twine using just a little bit of acrylic paint. Make it look like a palm tree. Cut palm leaves out of green foam paper. Glue the leaves to the top of the pen. Coat the base with Elmer's glue and sprinkle it with kinetic sand. Secure it with hairspray and cut the trunk so the pen can open. Look, Miss Olivia is daydreaming again. Hey, someone get our teacher a mojito! Did you like our doll school supplies? Then let us know in the comments how you would sneak toys into class. Will you make a whiteout backpack, a tape bag, an air notebook, or will you turn your LOL doll into a pencil Statue of Liberty? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new doll ideas from Troom.